Oh, it's broke. Look. Oh, no. This is a new brand to Boxy, but let me get my money glasses on, guys. Hold on. Hold the phone. This is $65. Oh, yeah. Oh, that fragrance is strong. Oh, God, is that strong. So, in today's video, we have the Boxycharm Boxyluxe for June 2022. This puppy is $60 every 3 months. It's expensive. So, if you want to see what I got inside, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the $60, then keep on watching. Alright, so, like I said, this is the Boxyluxe for June 2022, and I'm kind of excited. I actually forgot that it was Luxe month this month. I can't believe I forgot until it came on my doorstep. I'm like, that's right. So I got very, very excited. I did film the base box, which I had something on my lips that we're supposed to plump it up. I don't know if you have seen the video first, or this is coming first, so I don't want to spoil it, but I tried it on, and oh my God. Did it burn. So if I'm talking a little funny, that's why. I literally just got done doing that video. Okay, so when you open her up, it says hello Charmer, and this says Summer Luxe 2022, and then on the back tells you everything that you get inside, gives you a brief description, and gives you a price, which I like. Alright, so here's a little sneak peek. Not too much, you know, I like to tease a little bit. Alright, so it looks like there's quite a few things in there. How many do we get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8 items. Okay, so the first thing is this puppy. What is this, for your hair? Oh, it's a cactus flower leave-in conditioner from Dae, D-A-E, if I'm saying that right. This is a new brand to Boxy, and it's $26. And I love me some leave-in conditioners because the ends of my hair are always so dry and stuff. So I'm actually glad to get it. Let's see what it smells like. I don't know what that smell is. It reminds me of my childhood. I mean, it doesn't stink, you know. It doesn't smell like fragrance, like flowery, like a good scent to me, like florally. But I don't know. It smells good though, you know. Okay, so the next thing is Dew of the Gods, Fiji Fuju. Say that 3 times, Fiji Fuju. This is a collagen whip vitamin mask. I got something from this brand in my Ipsy. It was like an exfoliator. Okay, so what is this? What'd you be? Holy crap, this is $42. Let me get my knife and let's open her up. I was not expecting that. Now that is really pretty packaging. I like that a lot. I don't know, I just wasn't expecting the packaging like that. Okay, so you have one of these little safety seals. Look at the color. I was thinking it was going to be yellow. I don't know why I smelled it, but oh my goodness, I am so excited to try that. That is my favorite color, like teal, turquoise. Ooh, okay, so I'm really excited to try this. All right, this is made in China, so I don't know. All right, so we have that. The next thing is from Keys. I love this brand. This is Alicia Keys' brand. Love it so much. I always keep her stuff right here. We got like a full range in the AIA beauty box a few months ago. Love it. Use it all the time. So this is the, I don't have this. This is the Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. I do not have this. So this is $28, and this has niacinamide in it. Ooh. Okay. So far, it's all like skincare and different things, but I mean, would you look at the packaging? And it's always glass. I love the packaging, and I love a pump. We love a good pump. Okay. So that's what it looks like. I gotta put some on the other hand. I tell you all the time, your neck and your hands. Do not forget about putting whatever you put skincare on your face, put on your neck and your hands. Because that's how you could tell our age, our neck and our hands, right? Okay. I'm really excited to get that. And you can see it does have like a little glow to it. And I'm more into the dewy skin now, you know? Not that matte like I used to like. So I'm really excited to try that. Okay, the next thing is from NARS. Oh, we have a lipstick. And this is in the shade Intrigue. I think that's what it says. How much are you? Okay, so this is $26. And I love bullet lipsticks. I like them better than liquid lipsticks, so. And there we go. It's the regular NARS packaging. Oh, it's broke. Look. Oh, no. Let's see if I can push it back in. Okay, it goes back in. It just, I got to be very careful. And it could be because of the heat. So it probably came right out. Do you know? Well, it went in here, but you know what I'm saying. So I'm not gonna put it up too much. I'm just gonna do a little swatch so I can see the color. So I have to be careful when I open that. That's a gorgeous color. This is a color I wouldn't typically wear. It has a odor to it, like a smell to it, though. I mean, it doesn't look old. It doesn't look. You know, I don't see any mold or anything on it, but I don't know. Anyway, this is the type of color I would not typically wear. If I would wear this if I wasn't wearing makeup, like natural skin and wear this color, you know. It's a little more orangey than I would like. For me, just my complexion, I don't look good with it, but I do look nice when I don't have any makeup on, you know what I'm saying? So. All right, and it's the Snap one, so it's the old packaging, you know? Well, I don't even know if NARS has the magnetic one. I don't know. Okay, so we have that. The next thing is this thingy, and what are you? This is a limited collection, 3 full size and 3 mini makeup blenders. You got to be kidding me. Is this the right thing I'm looking at? This is a new brand to Boxy, but let me get my money glasses on, guys. Hold on. Hold the phone. For beauty blenders, this is $65. What in the world? Let me look. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, that's what it is. Beauty. I would never pay $65. I mean, you get 6 beauty blenders, but still. Okay, so you get 3 of the big boys. I like that they're very colorful. And then you get 3 of the small ones. You know, they're good for like to get right like your concealer and stuff like that. Don't you guys think that's expensive? And it's weird, I keep saying this, but I had literally, in the same day, you'll probably see it different days, I did my Ipsy Plus and the Ipsy bag. And in the Ipsy Plus, I got blenders too. It seems like what I'm getting, the brands and things, I'm getting in Boxycharm too. You know what I mean? It's weird, but I love using sponges. It's just $65. I don't know. That's expensive, you know? Let me close this knife. I do not trust myself. Okay. So let's take this out. Ooh, there's something big in here. Get your mind out of the gutter. Okay, so the next thing is from Elemis. I love this brand. This used to be my favorite skincare brand. Now it's Juice Beauty. So this is a clarifying clay wash. And I know this is going to be expensive because Elemis is expensive. So, oh, this is $49. I was thinking it was going to be more. And this is a really good size. This is good. Clay washes are very good if you have oily skin. I have combination skin, but I do have oily skin in my T-zone. So I'll definitely use it. And my youngest son has very oily skin. So this will be great for him too. But I can smell a smell and I didn't even open it. Hold on. This fragrance is... Oh, yeah. Oh, that fragrance is strong. I don't know about that. Like, it... Oh, God, is that strong. Almost... And I don't complain a lot about the scents and stuff. Almost to the where the fact I don't know if I can use that. Well, I'll have to try it and see. Because I can literally... Oh, God, and I keep smelling it. I can smell it, like, without opening it up. Do you know what I mean? So, we'll see. All right, 2 more things. Wait till I get to the last one. All right, so then we have this. This looks like... it's Patrick Ta. This is $22, and it's a lip shine. And it's a new brand to Boxy. This is in the shade she's expensive. Yes, I am. All right, let's see. Ooh, that is gorgeous. That is really pretty. This will go like with any lip color. And what I usually do, and there's the applicator that curves, is I always put it like on a matte lipstick. Let's see, it's probably not going to, yeah, because it's just like a clear. I just want to see if it's sticky. But yeah, it's just like clear. And it's not really sticky. I love Patrick's products. They're just expensive, but they're really, really good. I haven't tried any of his eyeshadows because they're expensive. Let me know down below if you tried the eyeshadow and what you think of it. Like, is it worth the money? Let me know down below. All right, and last but not least is this. What are you? I thought it was an eyeshadow palette. This is a Beauty Bakery Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette for $38. Guys, I am a blush whore. I used to love bronzer, but now I'm like into blush. So I'm so excited to get this. I'm more excited to get this than if it was an eyeshadow palette. Yes, I am. First of all, look at the packaging. I mean, come on. Look at that packaging. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, how do you open it? Okay, so it's like this. It's magnetic. And you open her up. And you just like kind of like take this out. All right, so that's what it looks like. On the back has like ingredients and stuff. Ew, okay. So you don't get a mirror. It says toasting to the sweet life. Right there. All right, so you get this, and that's what she looks like. These are all like have shimmer to them. I like matte blushes, so let's just see. So they're more like, can you see, like blush toppers for me? But they're not bad. That's going in one time. They are beautiful, especially this one. Let me go in with this one again. This one right here I love the most. It's not bad, actually. They're not too bad when you swatch them. Like on the fingers you can see, but when I swatch them, it's not as bad. All right, so I'm excited to try this. Would this be something I normally would purchase? No, because I like more matte blushes, but I'm definitely glad to get it. Do you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I got variation 401. Holy cow. That means there's at least 400 already. And today's the third one I'm filming. So already there's 400 variations. Wow. Okay, so let's recap everything that I got in the Boxyluxe for the summer 2022. We have this blush palette. Yes, I'm really excited for that. We have this clay mask. This thing stinks though. I mean, it really, really does. Like, I'll have to see how bad the fragrance is, you know? So we have that. We have this leave-in conditioner, which I'll definitely use. I'll get some use out of it. This puppy right here, $65. Like, I'm glad to get some sponges, right? But never would I pay $65. However, it's in a subscription box, so it's not like you're really paying that. Do you know what I'm saying? So I am so excited to get this from Keys. I really, really am. This serum, so I'm glad to get that. This I was like, but when I seen the color and the packaging, I'm excited to use it. I really, really am. We have the Patrick Ta lip gloss, which I'm excited to get. We have the NARS. I mean, like I said, I'm not like doing cartwheels over the color, but I will use it. You know what I mean? So, and it's a lipstick, so I'm glad to get it. And yeah, I think that's everything, right? Yeah, I think that's everything. So if I had to rate this on a 1 to a 5, 1, I'm throwing away, and 5, I'm doing cartwheels. I mean, it's probably about a 3.5. It's a lot of, it's skincare heavy, I'm not gonna lie. But, I mean, because the only 2 makeup, we got 3 makeup products. But I liked everything that I received. Does that make sense? You know, so I'm not mad at it. I actually like it. This is probably one of the better Boxyluxes, because lately the Boxyluxes were terrible, in my opinion. So they are stepping up their game. So I'm not mad at it. So if somebody said, would you pay $60 for this? I definitely would. I would. I'm satisfied with it. But let me know what you think. Would you be satisfied if you got this? Let me know down below. And that's everything, guys. Please rate... What? please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out too. Leave a comment. Let me know how your day's going. Let me know what you think of this Boxyluxe. Are you getting Boxyluxe this month? Let me know down below. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget I have that second channel, Just Anne's World. So if you want to get to know me more on a personal level and more vlog style videos, I'll leave in the description box. Check it out. See if it's something that you would like. We are so close to 10K over there. I can almost taste it. I think we're like 40 away. Less than 40 away. I'm so excited, guys. All right. Stay beautiful. Stay blessed. Stay healthy. And most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. All right, Boxycharm, you did your thing. You did your thing. I don't know about that $65 sponges. I got to get off of that. I know. I got to stop talking about it, but I just can't get over that. But I'm impressed. Yes, I am.